Oh my God, what a change of pace. Is this real though? That's not real.
No, this is not real.
Oh, okay.
I thought it was funny.
It's
This is the last story.
these are this is a boardroom or no, a computer lab, except the computer chairs are caskets. Upright, bent in half caskets. Which might not be all that uncomfortable if you think about it. You got a high back on it. You lean back,
Okay, yeah.
take a nap.
It's cozy. It hugs you.
But it's also terrifying. I think you showed this to Kirk, was really upset about this. I can't remember.
I think Mo.
Coffin-shaped office chair wants workers to sit in there forever.
Yeah. This looks like a really cool art project. I would like this chair.
You know what? There was a... Oh, yeah. Here's a riddle.
Okay.
Ready? The man who built it doesn't want it. The man who bought it doesn't need it. The man who needs it doesn't know it. Did you follow that?
Sure, yeah.
So what's your answer?
A coffin.
There you go.
Yeah.
The man who built it doesn't want it. The man who bought it doesn't need it. The man who needs it doesn't know it.
But a coffin chair, though.
Heavy. The man knows he wants it. A coffin chair.
I definitely want this.
I was playing some riddle game. I don't remember what it was. It was like some family gathering, and everyone's like, yo, there's this website where you just do the trivia games. Have you done this before?
Family trivia?
It's family trivia.
Sure, yeah.
What it was. And you have an app on your phone, and then there's like a browser, and then everybody can answer.
Yeah.
I don't remember which one it was, but this was one of the things. There was one segment which was on riddles, and you had to answer it fast. And the faster you answer it, the more points you get.
It's like multiple choice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Good stuff, Will. So this is a design experiment on Design Boom. The mastermind behind the coffin-inspired chair is Chairbox, a UK-based designer. And the true name of the design is the Last Shift Office Chair. Oh, my God. That is a funny commentary. I'm here for my last shift. Maybe it's this idea that you're rotting away in your office or something.
I believe so.
Yeah. You're not enjoying the work very much, I
And
guess.
everyone is having one.
Yeah.
Everyone's using one.
Yeah. You're stuck in this chair here. Yeah, I get it. It's interesting, no doubt, but terrifying nonetheless. And there's a few different variants. So you can have charcoal wood if you choose, or you can have some walnut. It's really up to you what your coffin looks like. Normally, it might not be up to you, but in this case, it is up to you because it's a coffin chair.
Yeah.
Thank you very much to everybody who joined here today. Appreciate it. If you're a member of the community, we deeply appreciate it. And I promise you that we will be back very soon with another episode. Thank you very much for your support. And I don't know, I'll probably talk more about some iPhones and stuff because those are going to be here. If you're watching this, they're probably here. And then I'm snapping photos and I'm probably stranded on Dynamic Island.
Yeah. Send help.
See you guys soon.